Hi, my name is Vinay Mehta. I'm the co-founder of Gotham Manufacturing Corp. We're a licensed cannabis manufacturer in the state of New York. And I want to talk to you about my experience with BrainStation 23. So back in 2025, in February, I was looking for a solution for my ERP system. And I was looking for a third-party provider that could help me implement my ERP system, Odoo. So I did an extensive search with many different providers in Bangladesh, in Sri Lanka, and I met with BrainStation, and I was fortunate to be introduced with them. And I was nervous about who I should select and what would happen and how the process would go. But I can say here now, almost 1 year later, that I'm very happy and satisfied with the progress we've made. With BrainStation, you can get a great solution that really has a huge team of people where you feel that even as a startup with our business, starting with 0 employees, going to 13 employees, now we're taking the next step in our business to become 20, 30 employees, have more revenue, more sales. I'm feeling more confident that I'll be able to grow our business with BrainStation and that we will be able to work on solutions in my Odoo system that will keep my business optimized and functioning at a very high level. Also now with different AI integrations, we're exploring opportunities to make our system even more advanced and have more features. So I'm very happy with the solution Odoo, but I'm also very happy with selecting BrainStation as a partner for the Odoo implementation. And so far we're off to a great start, and I look forward very much to our bright future together.